Stop signs used to be yellow. The first stop sign appeared in 1915 in Detroit, Michigan. There were a variety of colors used for stop signs until the late 1920s, when the background color was standardized on yellow for maximum day and night visibility. By 1954, sign makers were able to use durable fade-resistant red coatings for sign faces, so the background color of the stop sign was changed to the red color you see today. Queen Elizabeth II was a mechanic during the Second World War. In February 1945, she was appointed as an honorary second subaltern in the Auxiliary Territorial Service, with the service number of 230,873. She trained as a driver and mechanic and was given the rank of honorary junior commander, female equivalent of captain at the time, 5 months later. A shrimp's heart is located on its head. But if we will base it on the exact anatomy of a shrimp, its heart is located on its thorax just after the head, but both the head and the thorax are covered with a single exoskeleton only. That is why the shrimp's thorax can be mistaken as still part of the shrimp's head. You can use a blacklight to detect body fluids. It's actually a good way to look for pet urine or make sure a bathroom or hotel room is really clean. Cat urine, in particular, glows very brightly under ultraviolet light. Urine glows under a black light, primarily because it contains the element phosphorus. Ostrich has the biggest eyes in the whole animal kingdom. Its eye is bigger than its brain. Ostriches don't hide their head in the sand. They will lay their head on the ground if they sense a danger.